Pillow's back for more. 1v1 Pillow to 5. 1v1 bitch to 5 right now. You think you're something, Corey, but you're not. Let's get it right now. Don't fucking push me. I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your ass. I swear to God. Swear to God. All my life. All right, let's go. 1v1. 1v1 to 5. Right now. Right now. Check up then, bitch. Check up. Thank you. Thank you. Come again. Oh, Pillow looks like that's skill this time. What the hell was that, Pillow? You fucking trying knocking my hand? You're just trying to come up with an excuse, Corey. Shut the fuck up. You shut up, bitch. Nothing. And one. And one. That's a foul, Pillow. That's a foul. That's a fucking foul. Stay right there. That's a foul. Free throw for me. 2 free throws. Where's our guard right now? Not today. Your ball. I thought it. Bitch, I thought you didn't want to. This is my sport. This is my advantage right now, bitch. You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit. Give me that, Pillow. Give me that. Come on, Pillow, you better guard me. Oh, man. Ooh. Oh. Oh. And the dunk in your face, bitch. In your face. In your face, bitch. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? Talk more? Talk more, huh? Huh? Keep talking. Oh, your first point actually scored, Pillow. You got lucky. And that's game. That's game, Pillow. You nothing. Out of my house. Get out of here, Pillow. You nothing. You are really nothing. Come on, cheap shot me again. You gonna do it again? Come on, cheap shot me. Cheap shot me right here. No one's seeing it right now. Just me and you, big boy. Come on, throw hands. Let's throw hands right now. I ain't scared. Throw hands. Throw hands, motherfucker. What do you think you're doing, huh? Try it, cool? Let's try it. Stop playing with me, bitch. Stop playing. Get out of my face, dude. Get out of my face, man. Get out of my face, Pillow. Get out of my face. I'm not gonna hit you. Unless you hit me, bitch. Get out of my face. Stay out of my motherfucking face, dude. Stay out of my fucking face, Pillow. Pillow, impress somebody? You want to try and impress me? You ain't impressing no one, bitch. Let's try it cool, man. Fucking dumbass, bitch. Alright, bitch. Alright. Alright, you backing up for? You backing up for, huh? You want to punch me in the face, man? Punch me again. Punch me in the face right again. I promise I'll fucking kill you. I'll fucking kill you. Fucking bitch. Get out of here. Get out of my fucking... Don't come near me, Pillow. I'll punch you in the face. There's a camera right there catching everything. I'm not scared. Come on, punch me. You've already done enough. Once Corey's channel sees this, you're kicked out of the channel for good, bitch. See what you're actually doing, man. What the fuck, Pillow? What the fuck is wrong with you, Pillow? Fucking hell, dude. Stop fucking punching me, bitch. Seriously, stop fucking punching me. You're on camera. What I tell you, Phil, I'm giving you a fucking warning right now. Keep fucking with me, and I'm gonna kill you. Keep fucking with me. Keep messing with me. Keep fucking with me. Get the fucking wall. Keep fucking with me, bitch. Keep fucking messing with me. I don't care. Keep fucking with me. Keep fucking with me, boy. Stop fucking coming near me. Get away from me. The fuck away from me. Get away from me, dude. I'm telling you right now, get the fuck away from me. Get away from me. I'm gonna I'm gonna kick your ass right now. I said I'd kill you. I'll do it. I'll do it, bitch, right now. What you gonna do about it? You ain't gonna do nothing, bitch. All you are is talk. All you are is talk like you were in the group chat. You're talk, bitch. You're talk. Talk, Phil. All you are is talk, bitch. That's all you are is talk. Huh? You gonna shove me like that? Who you trying to impress? The fuck you trying to impress, huh? The fuck you trying to impress? The fuck you trying to impress, huh? So I'm not playing with you. I'm not fucking joking with you, Phil. Come on, Corey. Come on. Alright, I'm walking away, Corey. I'm walking away. No, fuck that. Oh, fuck that. Oh, fuck that. No, fuck that, bitch. No, fuck that, Phil. Get your bitch ass out of here. Get out of here. Ugh. Bitch ass motherfucker. Ain't gonna joke with you, Phil? I ain't, bitch. Like I said, Phil, come fight me. Let's fight right now. Let's handle this like men. Right outside right now, let's handle it. Let's handle it like men. Outside, bitch. Think I'm joking with you. Bring it, Pillow. You ain't got nothing on me. You ain't got nothing on me, you little bitch. You ain't got nothing on me. Fuck out of my face. Come on, Corey, I'm trying to chill. You ain't trying to chill? You ain't trying to chill when you just trying to punch me? Trying to start something, trying to come close up to me like I'm gay or something. You bitch, I'm not fucking gay, you motherfucker. Fucking punk. Get out of my face. Out of my face, Phil. I'm out of here. I'm gonna leave you here knocked out, bitch.